Hi guys, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete, my home improvement and consulting channel. In the previous video, I gave you 5 things you should know before buying a house. Today in this video, I'm going to give you 5 most important things to maintain after you bought your house. Just quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. So guys, you bought your house and well done. Now, if it's an old house, you need to maintain it. And if it's a new house, well, you still have to maintain it. So let's start. 1. Waterproofing. Okay, so your waterproofing is not done long ago. And your contractor probably gave you a 3 to 5 years warranty. So, to keep your warranty, all waterproof areas should be serviced, especially when exposed to sun and harsh weather conditions. Give your contractor a call for inspection and if needed, a service. 2. Paint. Right, on paint. You don't need to maintain the internal areas as much as the external areas. The external areas gets exposed to the sun, rain and wind. If it's a new house, you probably have to paint the outside of the house after 2 years. Some paint will fade and loses color, like a red paint, and some wind cracks will start appearing. Then you need to repaint. 3. Landscaping. This is simple. Overgrowth will cause a lot of harm to your house foundations, your boundary walls and your sewer system, and even can push your walls over. Try to avoid planting big trees next to structures and small garden areas. If you're not sure, ask your local landscaper or nursery. Number 4. Woodworks. This is the same as the 3 previous points. All woodworks on the outside gets more exposed to weather. So, all woodwork areas should at least be treated twice a year. Lastly, do pest control on a regular basis. Like termites, they love wood. 5. Locks, gates and mechanical motors. Like all mechanical components, locks, gates and motor needs to be maintained. For example, gate motor and garage door motor needs to be greased at least every 3 months. Gates and locks must be maintained and oiled at least 2 times a year. Please do this so you don't find yourself locked up in your own house. So guys, this is the 5 most important things you should maintain in your house. And if you got any questions, just ask in the comment section down below. And guys, remember, keep it simple.